What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu and I'm flying solo today. We're going to get into the happenings with Opensea, the fact that the head of product development just came out. It was just discovered that he has been insider trading, front running drops, making money off of you and I. Let's get into it. Let's dive deep into what people are saying on Twitter, what people are saying on the internet. Let's read some articles. Let's break this down so you have all the information you need to make a decision if you want to continue to trade and support Opensea. Let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. So this thing has blown up so much over the last couple of hours that we have made it to CNBC, guys. You know it's bad when the lamestream media starts to cover you, man. The headline is, there was insider trading on NFT platform Opensea. The $1.5 billion startup admits. Wow, what a headline, bros. That is really, really bad. Rumors of insider trading at the NFT marketplace Opensea are true, according to a statement from the startup, which was recently valued at $1.5 billion. Yesterday, we learned that one of our employees purchased items that they knew were set to be displayed on our front page before they appeared there publicly, the company wrote in a blog post. While the statement did not identify the employee, Tuesday evening, Opensea head of product Nate Chastain, was accused by Twitter user Zawu TV, a member of the Blue Gang, by the way, shout out to Blue Gang, of using secret wallets to front run sales on the platform. In a series of posts that since now have gone viral, the Twitter traced transactions receipts via the public blockchain, allegedly showing that Nate, we're gonna call him Nate, would buy NFTs just before Opensea featured the piece on the front page of its website, and then sell it after it jumped in price following the buzz of its main page listing. Opensea's written statement called it incredibly disappointing and said it's conducting an immediate and thorough review. What does that even mean? Opensea would not confirm the name of the employee as of right now. Okay, blah, blah, blah. This is the original tweet. We'll get into that later. Talks about what they're making and all that stuff. The point of this, you guys, is that the Opensea insider trader case has not only reached crypto news, right? But now it's mainstream news. So it's on Verge, it's on CNBC, it's on other outlets like that, Fox Business, everybody's covering it, right? So we go here to the Block Crypto and they confirm what the CNBC article said. They said here, right, going down, they're basically, here's a lot of information confirming what we just read in the CNBC article. It's absolutely mainstream news, you guys. Huge, 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 right? Going to the crypto world, right? Let's see what some of the crypto influencers have to say. The power of transparency. There is still no visibility on what's happening on centralized platforms. Absolutely 100% correct. We'll get into my opinions in a second after we get into all these people's thoughts. Right? Incredibly disappointing. Everybody in the Twitter space, what's going on with Opensea? People are sending hate NFTs on Opensea to catch the executives. Let's take a look at this. Oh wow, I might actually buy one of these. This is actually pretty funny. Right? So if people are creating artwork, shame. Based on the fact that these guys have been stealing money from people. This is so wild, right? Let's see what Beanie, another Bloop member, had to say about this. Prison. They issued a statement on insider trading. The statement is inaccurate. I don't think Opensea has any rules against it based on their post statement. Still unethical, centralized. You guys are starting to see a theme. Everybody in the crypto space has been pointing out the fact that they're centralized. They're centralized, and when you're a centralized platform, you're susceptible to bad decisions from humans. All right, let's see what Robert had to say. Whether or not this is true, whether or not there is truth to the accusations of insider trading, Opensea needs to use this as a catalyst to build a more decentralized platform. Centralized systems and their users are vulnerable to bad decisions by humans. Over and over again, that's been the sentiment. And what we have to realize here is that Opensea is like MySpace, right? And we're witnessing a moment right now where people are understanding that they are not the end product. What people are realizing right now is that Opensea just happens to be the first one. They're not the end all be all, right? They came out in 2007, and take a look at this, you guys, right? So the volume, right? Their 24-hour volume, they do $100 million in volume. $100 million on a centralized platform. There basically isn't a number two, because Axie Infinity, right? That's a special type of situation, right? The next one that you have to go down, it only does about 500K. That's wearable, right? So this is crazy. They own basically a monopoly right now, and we see in centralized platforms that they can be manipulated by insiders. So what we're predicting here at Radical Investors is you will definitely see up and coming marketplaces that are decentralized, that are run by DAOs, that don't have this centralized theme. Because it's absolutely crazy if you think about it. They're making 2.5% on all the sales that are going through their platform. They're completely centralized, backed by VCs, and they're cheating you. Right? I don't know about you guys listening to this, but I'm incredibly pissed off right now, because we've all had experiences of not being able to get what we want on Opensea, all had experiences of not getting what we want on Opensea, of losing gas fees to Opensea's archaic system, right? To dealing with the clunkiness of Opensea. But we deal with it because they're basically the only game in town. So what we're going to see is an absolute flood of new marketplaces that can take over from Opensea. And I think the trust that Opensea just lost today is going to go a long, long way in helping these other marketplaces. I know, just to look up another marketplace, show you, what is it? Sushi Swap. Sushi Swap NFT marketplace. Let's see this really quickly. Here we go. So I show you is a marketplace ran by Sushi Swap. So Sushi Swap, one of the great DeFi protocols out there, is putting together this platform called Show You, something like that, right? Where it's going to be a brand new NFT platform, a decentralized NFT platform where you can go and sell and buy NFTs, right? So look how beautiful it looks already. So we're going to see products like this come to market. I know Superfarm, Ilio over there at Superfarm, I know they've been working incredibly hard on producing another NFT marketplace. So I'm predicting sooner rather than later that the NFT marketplace will get competitors. Opensea will see competitors, and I believe those competitors will have a fantastic chance of taking over this number one spot, because Opensea has shown itself to be a centralized VC-backed place where they're looking to cheat you out of money. It's been incredibly irresponsible to have insider trading going on, and people, right, they have shown that they cannot handle all of this incoming traffic. They're doing $100 million a month in revenue, and they can't fix their bugs. So we think this is, watch out for different platforms that are coming out. Watch out for different opportunities to diversify yourself. Be careful out there, guys. Radical Investors always has your back. Guys, so there you have it. All the alpha that you need for you to make a decision if you want to continue to support Opensea. Make sure you can continue to support this channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Every time you hit that subscribe button, you let the algorithm know that you're enjoying this content and more people can find this video. We're growing, guys, each and every day. Like always, happy hunting. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.